How do I remove the SD card from my Samsung S22?
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to walk through the steps to safely remove the SD card from your Samsung Galaxy S22. The process is fairly simple and you'll just need one tool, a SIM card removal tool or a small paper clip. So, let's dive right in.
What will you need?
To remove the SD card from your Samsung Galaxy S22, you will need the following items. Your Samsung Galaxy S22, a SIM card removal tool. If you don't have one, a small paper clip can work as well.
Power off your phone.
First things first, it's important to turn off your phone. This is a safety precaution that prevents data loss or damage to your SD card. Hold the power button until the power menu appears, and select Power Off.
Locating the SD card tray.
Next, you need to locate the SD card tray on your Samsung Galaxy S22. The tray is typically located on the top edge of the phone. It will be a small, oval-shaped indentation with a hole on one side.
Removing the SD card tray.
Now comes the part where we will use our SIM card removal tool. Insert the tool into the small hole on the SD card tray. Apply a small amount of pressure until the tray pops out slightly. Once the tray is loose, carefully pull it out of the phone. Be gentle to avoid any damage.
Taking out the SD card.
Finally, remove the SD card from the tray. You should do this with clean hands, and be sure to place it somewhere safe to avoid losing or damaging it. And that's it. You've just safely removed your SD card from your Samsung Galaxy S22. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you need to replace or reinsert the card, simply follow these instructions in reverse. Remember, always power off your phone before removing or inserting an SD card. Stay safe and enjoy using your Samsung device.